So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are someone who is looking for a career in data analytics, so Wipro has started hiring for the data analyst position, and this could be your chance to land a job in one of the top IT companies. So in this video, I will be covering you all the things like job roles, responsibilities, required skill set for this particular role, along with the application process and tips. I would also share the salary insights and career growth opportunities. So stay till the end and I will share some expert tips to boost your chance of getting hired. So let's come to the quick intro about the Wipro. So Wipro is the leading IT and consulting firm with global presence. It's also known for its innovation, AI, analytics, and cloud. Wipro culture and diversity gives it a boost over other companies in terms of offering all types of cultures. Like you might have to work in a home or hybrid, you are free to opt that. So why one should work at Wipro? There are multiple reasons. That one I discussed, like the work culture. Along with that, they also have pay you the competitive salary, and they offer the opportunity for career growth and training programs. They also offer you the opportunity to work on real world data projects. So let's come to the role, which is of data analyst, and you will be reporting to the project managers. The location, as you can see, is Hyderabad, and the key responsibilities, which is dues that they have mentioned over here, like you have to collect and analyze data to drive business decisions. Along with that, you will also be working with the databases, data warehouses, and creating reports, dashboards, interactive visuals for the clients, and you will be identifying the trends and automations to find the useful information from the data. You will be using Python, SQL, Power BI to find out the insight from the data. Also, they have mentioned some other roles and responsibilities, as you can see over here, uh, like liaise with internal and external clients to fully understand data content. So you will be working with both internal and external client depending on your projects, and you will be gathering the data from them and trying to deliver them the solutions, like how we solve any problem with the help of data. Also, you as a data analyst will be working on gathering the data, cleaning it, and doing entire process from the gathering data to bringing useful information from the data, and then you will be delivering it to client. And you also involved in creating data dashboard. They have mentioned the same thing over here, as you can see. So these are all going to be your responsibilities at Wipro if you join it as data analyst. Now let's come to the skill sets that they have mentioned. So they have not mentioned any specific skill sets, but as per the role, I would suggest you some of the skill set which you should have. So you must be good with Excel, Power BI, Tableau as BI tools. Along with that, you also have the knowledge of programming, for example, SQL, Python, VBA, MATLAB also used in data analytics. Along with that, you also have good knowledge in business analytics and reporting. So you must have either of Tableau or Power BI knowledge. And you should be a very good communicator to be eligible for this particular role, because you will be dealing with the internal or external clients, which requires a very good communication skills. The preferred experience they have not mentioned. So if you are the fresher or early career professional, so you can apply for this particular role. And if you are working with data, solving business problems, and using analytics tool, this job is for you. The salary for this particular job would be somewhere around 4 to 8 lakh. And if you are looking for kickstart your career in data analytics, then Wipro is giving you the perfect opportunity. This role is not just working with data; it's about making an impact, solving real-world business challenges, shaping the future with insights. So don't wait. Start your application today, and the link would be given in the description. Now I will have a question for you, all of you, about that. The biggest challenges that you face in landing a data analytics job. You can drop your answers in the comment section. I will try to reply all of you, and then we'll find it. We'll try to find a solution so that everyone can get their desired role. So if you found this useful video useful, you can just like the video so more job seekers can find it. Along with that, you can subscribe for the latest job updates and career tips. You can also share it with your friends who are also looking for opportunities. And that's it from my end. See you in the next video. So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are someone who is looking for a career in data analytics,